Networking your ALPENLUFT smoke detectors by remote control. Press the test buttons on the detectors twice in quick succession. When the green LEDs flash, the detectors are in receive mode. Press the networking button on the remote control. When the green LEDs go out, the detectors are networked. Triggering a test alarm. Press the test mute button on your remote control. All network detectors sound. The test was successful. Muting the detectors. In the event of an alarm, you can mute the detectors by pressing the test mute button on your remote control. ALPENLUFT Alpine power for your fire protection.